It's a colorful night, got red eyes, but it's all blue. Those colorful eyes, they don't shine like they used to.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Varsha, and in today's video I'm going to give you a house tour of a studio in Toongabbie. So I'm starting this new series जहाँ पे मैं आपको property का tour कराऊंगी in Sydney, and there are a few parameters that we're going to consider here. One is location, rent, house tour, like just the facilities available in the house, bills inclusive or non-inclusive, and also we'll talk about the nearest school that's available, and also like your grocery store and all that, how close it is to the station or how far it is from the station, and all this information will be covered in this series. I'm going to start with the western suburbs, and today I'm going to be covering Toongabbie area. So I hope you like this video. This is going to be an exclusive series. I think I'll be posting this every Saturday. I have a particular location in mind. मुझे comment section में आप बता सकते हो, and I will make sure that I go to that area, do a house tour for you, and hopefully I think you guys will like it. So without wasting much time, let's get started. Okay, so I am driving to this place. Looks like a quiet street. मुझे लगता नहीं ये स्टेशन से ज़्यादा पास है, but let's see. It's a beautiful quiet suburb. ऐसा junky area नहीं लग रहा है मुझे, which is good. No, actually it's close to the station. I just saw a train passing by. Okay, so I'm here, and this one is a studio. I'm not going to give you the street name just for privacy reasons, but it's a studio, like a granny kind of a studio. So let's go and see how it looks. Alright, तो ये रहा घर, और जैसे मैंने आपको बोला कि स्टूडियो है, तो इसमें किचन वगैरह सब कुछ एक ही जगह रहता है, as you know. So this is the kitchen with the electric cooktop. Do you want to show a close-up of this, cameraman? So, yeah, इसमें electric ये है electric cooktop, and इन्होंने oven भी दिया हुआ है. Like you can see, most of the desis इसमें storage के लिए use करते हैं, और ये मेरी friend का घर है तो उसने भी storage के लिए use किया है. But anyways, अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप baking वगैरह भी इसमें कर सकते हो. ये आपके मसाले वसाले रखने का चीज़ दिया हुआ है. So here's your bench top, your sink. And because it's a studio, सब कुछ मैंने compactly अच्छे से fit किया है. Your washing machine, fridge, oven, जो भी आपको रखना, microwave, you can keep it. And a small little couch like this will fit in. वो couch के बाद भी यहाँ पे अच्छी खासी space है फिर भी. यहाँ हो गया आपका TV वगैरह. Now let's go into the bedroom. So this is the bedroom. It is good कि ये बेडरूम अलग है. बहुत सारे स्टूडियो ऐसे होते हैं जिसमें कि वॉल नहीं होती है बीच वाली, राइट? सो यू जस्ट हैव लाइक अ प्लेन स्पेस जिसमें बेड भी होता है, किचन भी होता है, लिविंग रूम भी होता है, सब कुछ होता है. तो इसमें अच्छी बात है कि इसमें डोर है, सो इफ यू वांट यू कैन ऑलवेज क्लोज योर रूम फॉर एक्स्ट्रा प्राइवेसी. एंड इट हैज स्लाइडिंग डोर्स, वॉर्डरोब, और यहाँ पे डिसेंट एक डबल साइज बेड फिट हो जाएगा विद यू नो 2 साइड टेबल्स एंड एवरीथिंग. And I think इसमें एक study desk भी fit in हो सकता है. It is decently spacious, and then you have an attached bath right there. And I think I don't have to show you anything. It's just a normal bathroom. इसमें tub वगैरह नहीं है, but yeah, that's what it is. Okay, so that was the house tour. The rent for this studio is $270 a week. That does not include your bills. Water bill is included, but electricity you have to pay on top. And approximate electricity bill ऐसे जगह का, if one or even 2 people are living, it will be approximately say $150 to $200 a quarter, which is a little bit on the higher end because यहाँ पे electric cooktop है. That's the reason why. It is only 2 minutes walk to the station. The nearest station is Toongabbie station, which is just 2 minutes walk. And also 2 minutes के walk में यहाँ पे पूरा grocery stores and all that market is also there. I will try and put in a clip if possible, where there are a lot of Indian restaurants, South Indian restaurants. So if you want to eat like South Indian food, grocery तो मतलब हर चीज की grocery मिलती है यहाँ पे. There's Woolies as well, and it's a big market pretty much. There's also bars, even a liquor land for buying alcohol and stuff like that. So there's everything, which is just 2 minutes walk. So I think it's a really good, decent location. And also with the Toongabbie station is actually a small station. So यहाँ से next biggest station will be Parramatta towards the city side. And if we have to go towards the western side, Blacktown is the next, big station. Just in case if you want to go like regional area या आपको अगर कोई बड़ी train लेनी है, so yeah, those are the stops you can take the trains from. To all the parents watching, यहाँ पे nearest school जो है, that is the Toongabbie West School, which is approximately 1.5 kilometers from here. There is a park here, जो कि around 1 kilometer है, which is not bad if you're driving down with your kids or just yourself. So evening walks पे आप जा सकते हो, and kids के लिए वहाँ पे एक play area type भी है. And the lease for this property is for about a year, but then it depends on your real estate agent. It depends on the owner. Sometimes they will lease it out to you for 6 months, sometimes 1 year. So completely depends. And just in case if you want to break the lease, either parties, both of them have to give a notice for about 21 days, I believe. Is that right? 21 days, right? Yeah. So 21 days का notice देना पड़ता है either party. So अगर आपको lease break करनी और घर छोड़ना है, you have to let them know 21 days before, and there has to be a strong reason as to why you're doing it. And if the owner wants you to vacate the property, उनको भी आपको 21 days का notice देना पड़ता है. And also this property is not furnished. Sometimes furnished property भी मिल जाती है, लेकिन उसका rent महंगा पड़ता है. But it's always better to get something unfurnished because यहाँ पे furniture की prices इतना ज़्यादा नहीं है, and especially if you want to buy from marketplace or something, आपको बहुत सस्ते में पड़ जाता है. But yeah, that's what it is. And there's also a aircon here, which is already given, which is good. Room में aircon नहीं है, सिर्फ living room में है. So that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you want more such videos, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and also hit the bell icon so you get notified when I upload the video next time. तो ये देख लो area, सुंदर है बहुत. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me on Instagram as well. My handle is given in the link below, and this is my ID.